In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to a project in Jira. If you need to give a new team member access to a Jira project, share a board with stakeholders, or make sure your QA team can actually see the work they need, this process is much easier than it may seem. Jira includes built-in project access controls that let you add people and assign the right role without digging through a lot of complicated settings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can do it confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and signing in to your Jira site through your company's Atlassian workspace. Once you're logged in and the main dashboard has loaded, go to the top navigation bar and click Projects. From there, choose the specific project where you want to add users. This is important because access is being managed at the project level, so you want to make sure you're inside the correct workspace before making any changes. When the project opens, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find Project Settings, then click it. This section contains the administrative options for that individual project, including the area where you manage who can access it. After Project Settings opens, the sidebar will refresh with more options. Look for either Access or People, depending on how your Jira layout is labeled, and click that section. This will take you to the project's access management page where you can view current members and control project roles. Next, move to the upper right area of the page and click the button labeled Add People or Add Users. This opens the panel or pop-up where you'll enter the user information and assign their access level. In the input field labeled Names or Emails, type the person's work email address or select their existing profile if it appears in the suggestions. Then go to the role dropdown and choose the role that matches what they need to do in the project. For example, a developer role is typically appropriate for someone who needs to work on issues. An administrator role is for someone managing the project, and a viewer role is best for read-only access. Take a moment here because choosing the correct role helps avoid permission problems later. Before you finish, quickly review the details to make sure you selected the right person and assigned the correct role. Once everything looks good, click Add or Save in the bottom right area of the window. Jira will then update the project roster and apply the new access settings. And that's it. You've successfully added a user to a project in Jira. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.